Look, Vicky is raking. I like your shirt.
Thanks.
Hi, Zeke.
Hello.
He is asleep right now, taking a nap. This is our neighborhood. Everybody else has raked their leaves, so we want to get our leaves up. And although we are late, we still have most of the leaves. We let it fall down a little bit, so now we're gonna get them up. These are our pumpkins. Never really looked at the bushes in the morning, so
It looks pretty good in the morning.
yeah.
Look at the giant pile of it.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Look at all these leaves we rake.
Yeah. Hey, can you record me?
Look at all
Hey
these.
guys, this is like a lot of leaves.
Yeah, look at all these leaves we raked.
Yeah, I'm like, this is like, you so
Ooh.
you can even dump them.
Okay, well we're gonna say bye.
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 Stop.
I'm recording, okay?
Oh, can you show them the pile?
Yeah, there's the pile. But yeah, it's fine. Yeah. Yep. Hi everybody, don't forget to like this channel and also subscribe. And also, if you guys like to donate to this channel, click the links down below. And also, if you like to visit our Instagram, Facebook, and social media sites, definitely click the link down below. And I want to say happy Halloween, and we will see you guys in the next video. Bye! Happy Halloween!